Hi, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Out My Window Live. Boy, have we got a great one for you today. We are in Doha, Qatar for the FIFA World Cup final 2022. Been here for a week, having a blast. So let's go over the basics. Where am I? Room 3705 of the brand new Westin City Center here in the West Bay area. West Bay is sort of like their downtown Manhattan area. Very futuristic. This hotel is so new, they haven't even had a chance to clean the windows. So if it looks a little hazy, it's not. It's a beautiful day, just the windows are dirty. I have what they call a partial water view. So I got this beautiful view of sort of the Bay Area right here with the beach. Then I got this giant building in front of me. And then I got more water. To be frank, the building doesn't bother me at all. Most of the time our bed faces this way and we have this beautiful view of the city, which at night is even prettier. Almost every building in this town is lit up for the World Cup. Maybe it's lit up always. I can tell you that walking around downtown in just about every area of Doha, you don't see any garbage at all on the streets. Everything's very organized. The highways are terrific. And you feel very, very safe. Now, I'm not going to get into the politics of having a World Cup in Qatar. That's for someone else to do. I am just about the views, and this is what we got. Beautiful view. Now, let me tell you what we're looking at straight ahead. That's the Lusail area. You can vaguely see there the Lusail Stadium fits 90,000 where the final is going to be. That's also where Lusail Boulevard is, this great boulevard between the stadium and those tall silver towers where people are just partying day and night and having a great time. They got lights and flags and restaurants. Now, if you look over this way, those buildings right there in the distance, that is an area called the Pearl, very swanky, upscale area where they have condos and hotels, etc. So back here to the main view, Westin City Center. Like I said, brand new hotel, opened the day before we arrived. You know, it's having the challenges that most new hotels have, but I can tell you that it's in an excellent location, a block away from the city center mall, from the subway station, and I'm sure when they get the kinks out, it's going to be great. So thank you for tuning in to Out My Window Live. If you're watching on one of the other platforms, I remind you to please go over to YouTube and subscribe to my channel at Out My Window Live. Thanks as always, and we'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.